You're going to get a phone call one day, and you're either going to feel prepared or wish you had started this conversation sooner. That's why you're here listening to this video. You know aging is coming. For your parents, for you, for the people you love. But knowing and preparing are two very different things. On this channel, we talk about the conversations most families avoid or just skim the surfaces. We talk about what it means to turn 50, 60, 70, 80, and more, and to realize that time is not endless. We talk about the documents, the decisions, and the emotional honesty that bring peace instead of panic. We talk about how to prepare before a crisis forces your hand. Because aging is not the enemy, avoidance is. If you've ever thought, we should probably talk about this, but you didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Here you'll find conversations on conscious aging, legacy conversations, practical preparation checklists, and how to approach your family with clarity and not fear. This is about love. This is about legacy. This is about making sure your family is aligned before life makes the decision for you. So if you're ready to stop postponing important conversations, subscribe now and tell me in the comments, who is the first person you need to have this conversation with? Let's start there.